Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Mohammad Raihan Sahputra, Program Studi Management, and my name 211429010, and my lecturer Bahasa Inggris, Dr. Andes Budiantoro. And the topic is Sample Manuscript, Sewing Style and Formatting Specification for Journal Papers. And first, main requirement. The document shows the stages, format, and apprehension of a manuscript prepared of journal. The accepted paper will be professionally typed. This template is intended to be a tool to improve manuscript clarity for the reviewers. The final layout of the typed paper will not match this template layout. And 1.1 Use of this template. Authors may use this Microsoft Word template by employing the relevant styles from the stylist and formatting list. The home ribbon. To view which style is being used is any part of this document. Place the cursor on the line and look in the style list. If you are using Word 2003, you can select format on the menu bar and reveal formatting to view the style palette. 1.2 English. Authors are strongly encouraged to follow the principles of sound technical writing. Manuscripts that do not meet acceptable English standard or lack clarity may be rejected. Author whose native language is not English may wish to collaborate with a college whose English skills are more advanced. Alternatively, you may wish to have your manuscript professionally edited prior to submission by editors or recommended independent editorial service. And this is a link. Other will receive a 50 discount of their service. And 1.3 Page setup and font. Top, bottom, left, and right margin should be 1 inch. Use Times New Roman font. Talk out the manuscript in the size and style. And 2. Parts of manuscript. This section describes the normal structure of manuscript and how each part should be handled. 2.1 Title and author names. The article title appears like the juice divided at the top of the first page. The title font is 60, but bold. The rules of capitalizing the title are the same as for sentence. Only the first word, proposed nouns, and acronyms should be capitalized. Do not begin titles with our title or preposition. 2.2 Abstract. The abstract should be a summary of the paper and not an introduction, because the abstract may be used in abstracting journal. It should be self-contained and substantive in nature, presenting concisely the objective, methodology used, result obtained, and their significance. Please note that the following journal record the use of structured abstract in manuscript submission. Neurophotonics, the Journal of Biomedical Optics, and the Journal of Medical Imaging. 2.3 Subject terms or keywords. Keywords are required. Please provide 3 until 6 keywords related to your paper. And 2.4 Body and paper. The body of the paper consists of number section that present the main finding. This section should be organized to best present the material. 2.5 Footnotes. Use textual footnotes only when necessary to present important documentary or explanatory material whose inclusion in the text would be distressing. 2.6 Appendices. Brief appendices may be included when necessary, such as the revision of a quotation, proof of the triumphs, and the details of algorithm. Next, 2.6 2.7 Disclosures. Conflict of interest should be declared under a separate header above acknowledgement if the author has no competing interest to declare. Then a statement should be included declaring no conflicts of interest. 2.8 Acknowledgement and funding information should be added after the conclusion and before revenge. Include a grant number and the full name of the funding body, and the acknowledgement success not have a success number. 2.9 Code, data, and material availability. Availability of code, data, and or material used in the research results reported in the manuscript may be declared under the heading Code, Data, and Material Availability following the Acknowledgement section. 2.10 Reference. The reference section lists books, articles, and reports that are cited in the paper. The references are numbered in the order they are cited. Example of the range style are given at the end of this template. 2.10.1 Reference link and those. A digital object in the finder of DOI is an unique alphanumeric string assigned to a digital object, such as a journal article, a book, chapter that provides a persistent link to its location on the internet. The use of DOI allows reader to easily access cited article. 2.11 Author biography and photographs. Author biography and curate, especially for primary and corresponding authors. Biography should be approximately 75 words of flavor. Biography should be placed at the end of the manuscript. 3. Section formatting or heading 1. Tap each section heading on separate line using the approach style from the stylus. Section should be numbered sequentially. Paragraph that immediately follow a section heading or leading paragraph and should not be intended, according to standard publishing style. And 3.1 Subsection heading 2. Subsection heading should be numbered 1.1, 1.2, and etc. 3.1.1 Subsection heading 3. Subsection heading should be numbered 1.1.1, 1.1.2. Only the first word is capitalized. 4. Figure and table. 4.1 Figure. Figures are numbered in the order in which they are called out in the text. Figures should be embedded in the manuscript for initial submission. Individual figure file will be requested for the first revision in TIFF, XPN, or PDF format. 4.2 Tables are numbered in the order in which they refer to. They should appear in the document in numerical order and as close as possible to their first reference in the text. And the last one, Appendix A, miscellaneous formatting details. A.1 Formatting equation. Equations may appear in line with the text if they are simple, short, and not of major importance. Important equations appear of their own wine. Others are strongly encouraged to use Microsoft Word equation editor or MathType to create both in the text and display equations. Equations are conditioned to be a part of a sentence and should be punctuated accordingly. A.2 Formatting theorems. To include theorems in formal way, the theorem identification should appear in a 10-page bold font, left just fit, and followed by paragraph. Formal statement of lemmas and algorithm receive a similar treatment. Sekian presentasi dari saya, kurang lebihnya mohon maaf. See you soon. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.